Welcome to Session 11 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study Factoring Strategy Review. The focus is to choose efficient factoring methods and use factors to reveal zeros. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Try the GCF before any other method. 2. Recognize difference of squares and trinomials. 3. Use zero product reasoning after factoring. Factoring is algebraic reverse engineering. We rewrite a polynomial as a product so hidden structure becomes visible. A reliable order prevents wasted work. Greatest common factor first, special pattern second, trinomial or grouping third, and then multiply back mentally to check. Factor 6x cubed minus 24x squared plus 18x. Every term has a greatest common factor of 6x. After factoring that out, the remaining trinomial is x squared minus 4x plus 3. That trinomial factors as x minus 1 times x minus 3. If the expression equals 0, the zeros are 0, 1, and 3. For x to the fourth minus 16, use the difference of squares. It becomes x squared minus 4 times x squared plus 4. Then x squared minus 4 factors again. Over the real numbers, x squared plus 4 does not factor. Your turn. Factor x squared 9. Pause the video and solve it. Here's the solution. Work line by line. Then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these three tasks. Copy the model from the lesson. Solve each one fresh, and write one error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Factoring rewrites a sum as a product. GCF comes before every special pattern. Difference of squares can happen more than once. Zero product reasoning works only after a product equals 0. Before moving on, write one sentence. The step I must protect is... That small reflection turns the video into real self-learning.